Hi all, welcome to Craft in Canvas. In this video, we will learn a simple basic pattern that you can use while doing any dot painting. Here I have taken a small drawing sheet. Hit the eye icon that is popping on top of your screen to be able to draw this stencil pattern. Before we start, here are the tools that I will be using throughout the video. These tools look similar, so to avoid confusion, I have numbered them smallest 1 to largest 5. I will be showing these numbered tools as and when I use them during the painting session. These are colored, which is easy for identification, and here are the Fevicryl neon acrylic colors. These are suitable to paint on metal, terracotta, wood and canvas. I prefer these as they are perfectly smooth and fluid enough for dot painting. They do not need any additional acrylic medium. Apart from these, you will need a cloth or a tissue paper to wipe off excess paint. Okay, so we will begin from the center and gradually make our way outwards. The only thing you need to know is to have a dot placed between two dots. First, take the smallest tool that you have. I am taking tool numbered 1. Dip the tool into the paint and start to place dots on the inner circle where the line and circle meet. I hope you are able to see the dot placements clearly. Please feel free to pause and work along. Now I am taking tool numbered 2, which is slightly bigger than number 1. Dip this into the paint and place the dot between two dots like I am doing here. Repeat this process. Next tool is number 3, and you know the process now. DIP, that is dip in paint, and D to D, that is dot between two dots. Sometimes our hands start to shake, and it is because we are not holding it right and don't have enough grip. So use this tiny little finger as support and paint along. You can see here how I am using it to support. See how beautiful the pattern is turning out to be. Now I am using number 4 tool and repeating dip and D to D process. As I am keeping the dots, I am making sure the distance is same everywhere. The number 5 tool now. I would usually prefer to end this pattern at this stage, but in this video I would like to show how the pattern looks when using the colored big tools as well. Let's start with the smallest in this tool set. Do you know an amazing thing about dot painting is that you can create a whole painting from a simple pattern all by itself, just like this one. Additionally, what you can do is that you can cover up places where it is empty using the small tools, but this is totally optional. Once you're done, let it dry. Once it is completely dried, take a sharp pointed eraser and start to erase off the lines that we had drawn for the template. So this is now complete. Hope you like the video. Please do like, follow and subscribe to us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok and YouTube. And remember, Craft and Canvas loves you.